Hi, I'm Andrew Armstrong. Welcome to the back office. Yesterday was the final Carboot sale of the season, and I managed to pick myself up a Casio keyboard. This is a Casio PT-87 Casio tone. It's a monophonic keyboard, however it does support polyphonic playback of some pre-made songs that you could get via these cartridges, which use a strange little ribbon connector like you get on the old LCD screens in the Game & Watch. And the idea of these keyboards is that you would place your memory cartridge in here, lock it in, and the keyboard itself has a series of colours, of LEDs above the keys, and you could play, try to play the song denoted by the LEDs, and it would give you a score to tell you how close you were. So it was an educational aid, although I don't think you could ever really learn to play the piano properly on one of these keyboards. The sound, as you'll experience now, I'll put the volume nice and high. So the sound is pretty tinny, but there are 8 voices. So this is trumpet, organ, violin. So they're all pretty similar, really. So what you can do is you can select one of the 4 built-in songs from this and then put it into an autoplay mode. So here we go, ready? Okay, you get the idea. And then after you've played along to the song, you can push this button here which scores it. And then it plays a tune. If you've done badly, it plays a sad tune. If you've done well, it plays that tune. You have 4 star ratings here. You've got try again, fair, good, and excellent. So for the £2.50 I paid for this, I'm very happy. I might do some hacking and try to figure out how to hack this port and use a piece of hardware to change the songs, maybe program these up ourselves. That might be a bit of fun. If you go on eBay, you can get these for about £20 to £30. The cartridges are about £10. So I'm going to have a little play, see if I can play along to it. Let's see how successful that is. Okay, here we go. I give up. I like that sound. It sounds very much like a Nintendo 8-bit. So there you have it, the Casio PT-87. Look out for one, they're going to be a lot of fun. See what cartridges you can get. I believe there are some pop cartridges. Might have a bit Boy George to play along to. And if you've got one of these, let us know in the comments. Have you managed to actually win the game? Thanks for watching.